Hey again, it's Sean at Phillips Chevy of Frankfort. Today I'm going to show you some of the features inside the touchscreen system in your new 2025 Tahoe and Suburban. So when they upgrade to the new model year, they changed the screen setup. It's a 17.7-inch touchscreen display similar to your Equinox and Blazer EV. Now, the big thing everyone always asks is, where is my garage door opener, right? Because it used to be right up here on the mirror. They had some buttons right here. They've gotten rid of that and streamlined it into your touchscreen. So you can go to a couple different places. The first one's right up here on your taskbar. That's your controls. It's also over here. Now you can always hold and drag if you want to have that in a different location. That's for all the apps. So we're going to pull up the garage door opener. So pull up our controls. Now see more controls. Universal remote. So from here, you're going to add the remote just like you would normally with your handheld transmitter. Once you get that set up and connected, you're going to have right on your bar, right over here, you're going to have the garage door opener. So that's one of the features in the new 2025 Tahoe and Suburban. If you have any questions about these vehicles, feel free to contact us at Phillips Chevrolet. Thank you.